Okay, so we're gonna talk about this Hercules for Serato. It's really nice because what it is instead of carrying a really big controller, such as the ones that I have, you can control your Serato with this little mini uh, controller that has its own sound card. So, and that's important because what it is that you can control, and instead of using the sound card from the laptop, you use the sound card from the unit itself, which is always invariably better than using your laptop's um, head, headphone jack. It's just not made for that. The signal to noise ratio is going to be much better if you use one of these sound cards. So I super recommend it. Now, what's perfect is that you can, right, play. True, I cannot play music here, but you can press here, right? And it's independent. And here, when you want to practice, right, if you want to practice your mixes, which is what I recommend this for. This is for I mean, you can do gigs with it, but the cool thing about this is going through your crates and mixing and practicing, right? And setting up cue points and all that kind of stuff, right? And that way, and actually here it has for you to set up the cue points. So you can press and hold and it'll set up a cue point, right? And then you can also set up loops. So it has everything. And of course, everything that you need to DJ. And what's amazing about this is that you can control the speed, right? And then if you go here to one of these, right, you can control so that the speed changes, but not the pitch, not the key of the song. So, and that's important for mixing, right? So this has everything you need. It has a fader that I recommend you using if you're gonna use it for doing like a mix. You should be wary of the fader. Volumes, right? In both channels. This is a headphone uh, channel knob. You can put headphones here. Insert your headphones here on 1/8. It's too bad it doesn't have 1/4 inch plugs, but that's cool. And then on this side it has the master out for connecting to a sound system if you wanna go out, right, and DJ. But usually you just hear the sound here, right? Here over here in this button right here, you can go to the setups and you can determine where you want the sound to come out. You can use this laptop speakers, and here you can control the buffer latency. So this super recommended, and well, it's gonna do a lot of gigs for me. See you in the dance floor.